In this video, I will be showing you how to make a transparent background in Canva. Let's get started. To begin this tutorial, I start right on the main Canva homepage. I move my mouse cursor over to the upper left corner of the screen and click on the prominent purple button labeled Create a Design. This action immediately opens up a comprehensive drop-down menu that displays various preset design dimensions, recommended templates, and quick action options for your projects. Next, I scroll through the list of options and select YouTube Thumbnail. Once I click on it, Canva opens up a brand new, blank project workspace in a new tab that is completely ready for editing. On the left side of the screen, you will see the main vertical navigation bar containing various editing tabs like Templates, Elements, Text, and Uploads. Now I move over to the left toolbar and click directly on the Uploads tab. This opens up my personal media gallery panel, where all my previously uploaded images, videos, and graphic assets are stored. I scroll down through the uploaded files in the sidebar until I find the specific photo that I want to work on for this video. I locate the graduation portrait featuring 3 people and click on it once to add it directly onto my blank canvas. The photo appears right in the center of the workspace, surrounded by a purple outline with selection handles around its corners and borders so it can be resized or moved easily. With the photo selected, I direct my attention up to the top editing toolbar positioned just above the canvas. Here, I click on the BG Remover option. Canva's smart automated background removal tool begins processing the image right away, detecting the main subjects in the picture and erasing the surrounding background. Within just a few seconds, the entire background is removed cleanly, leaving a crisp cutout of the subjects. To make the isolated cutout image fit the canvas neatly, I right-click directly on the photo to open up the Options context menu. I scroll down through the pop-up list of commands and select Set Image as Background. The cutout photo instantly expands to fill the full dimensions of the canvas background area. Finally, to ensure that the final image composition looks well balanced, I double-click on the canvas to activate the crop adjustment grid. I drag and adjust the crop area slightly so that the subjects are framed comfortably, and then I click on the purple Done button on the side panel to confirm the adjustments. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make a transparent background in Canva.